Alright, so we are judging cat meme faces. I don't know. Basically, what this is going to be based off of is, well, basically, this is based off just if the meme is funny or not. So, first one, yes, pretty funny. Yes, funny. Yep. Oh yeah, Grumpy Cat. That's a pretty funny meme. Yes. I don't really know what that is. Aw, that's a cute cat. We have to say smash. What is this? Like a dog and a thing? I don't really see the point. I don't know who that is. Oh yes, yup. This is a funny looking cat. Okay. Like oh my god. Yep. Oh yeah, this is the Blugo, whatever we call it. This is intimidating, I have to say. Whoa! What did they do to you, my boy? What did they do to you? Oh, okay. God, I can't believe they did that to you. And that's all of them. So, I guess I hope you have a good night, and see you when I upload, which will be in probably 500 years. So, yeah, see ya.